The 2026 Ford Mustang Dark Horse SC has been officially unveiled as a new supercharged, track-focused performance car that sits between the standard Mustang Dark Horse and the ultra-high-end Mustang GTD. The SC is powered by a supercharged 5.2-liter V8 engine paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, carrying forward the performance ethos of the now-retired Shelby GT500, while adopting improvements drawn from the GTD program. Although Ford has not yet released official horsepower figures, estimates place output above the 500 horsepower of the regular Dark Horse and below the GTD's approximately 815 horsepower, with strong indications that the SC will deliver around 700 horsepower. The Mustang Dark Horse SC differentiates itself with extensive aerodynamic and chassis enhancements, including a redesigned front fascia with enlarged cooling inlets, a new aluminum hood that significantly increases downforce, and a rear diffuser paired with spoilers that optimize high-speed stability. Standard MagneRide adaptive dampers, revised springs and anti-roll components, and upgraded Brembo brakes provide a more track-oriented driving experience. An optional track pack further elevates performance with 20-inch carbon fiber wheels, Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2R tires, and carbon ceramic brakes, while also offering increased downforce and variable traction control with multiple levels of driver intervention. Inside, the SC receives performance-themed appointments including a flat-bottom steering wheel, Alcantara and carbon fiber accents, and available Recaro sport seats. Guys, what do you think about the new supercar? Please let us know in the comments. Thanks.